and today I'm going to make for you an Italian eggplant sauce in the Greenstar juicer. So the Greenstar is obviously amazing for making cold pressed juices, but you can also make ice cream, nut butters, you can use it as a pasta maker. So many things you can do, but today I'm going to make a beautiful sauce for you. So I've got my twin gears here, and I'm going to use the open blank screen. Just put that on there. That comes with the Greenstar juicer. Then I'll put on our discharge casing, attach that with our clips. I'm going to remove the outlet adjusting knob. All right, we don't need that. And I'm going to put on my safety hood. We're good to go. So I'm going to put a large bowl under here. I want it big enough so I'm going to catch what's coming out where the juice would normally come out and also where the pulp would come out. So we're going to incorporate both into the sauce. So that's about it. I'm just going to turn it on and feed some eggplant in. So I've got some peeled eggplant. You don't have to cook it. It's actually going to taste really delicious raw like this. In it goes. And I'm going to add some sun-dried tomatoes as well. I'm going to give it a really nice flavor. And I have some Italian parsley. So I'm just going to alternate my ingredients. A little bit of garlic, a little bit of eggplant, some tomatoes. And we just keep alternating until we have a delicious sauce ready to go. It. We are done. Just get that little last bit out there. Alright, look at that. That smells delicious. Now, over here, I've got a little bit of tahini. I've got 3 teaspoons of tahini. I'm going to put that in there, just with a little bit of water. I've stirred through it. And then I've got some lime. Just going to squeeze in about half a lime in there. And also just about a teaspoon of soy sauce. A little bit of flavor. We'll mix that all together. If you want to thin it out a little bit, you can put a little bit more water in there. But I use this as like a spread. You can put it on pasta, of course, but it's awesome as a spread. You can put it on wraps. You can put it on pizza. I like to just put it on some lettuce. I'm going to try some of that. I've got a lettuce leaf right here. Look at that, how good does that look? Put that in there, and I just roll that up, have it as a beautiful wrap. Really, really good. You wouldn't know that eggplant is raw. It tastes so delicious with the parsley and the garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes. Definitely give this a go at home. Happy juicing.